we're going to have to ask you to be very quiet because this child has bronchitis quite bad. But if you want to come in and see him, over here.
Oh no. Should I stand over here?
Yeah, you could stand here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm real sick.
Oh.
Are you feeling a little better?
Yeah, but I feel a little sick.
Maybe it's time for your medicine. That'll make you feel a little better.
It tastes gross. I don't want any more.
Okay.
Ugh.
When you feel so bad, sometimes it helps to sing. Have you got a song you can sing?
Oh, yeah, I always sing when I'm alone sometimes. I sing this song. Rolling, rolling, rolling up a river. I say, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. That's how I sing.
Oh, that's nice. Now, I sometimes do this to my patients, and they like it. Itchy, itchy, go. Itchy, itchy, go.
That tickles.
You see these people over here on
Yeah.
this side? That's Amber and Uncle Phil.
Hi.
Are you feeling better today?
Sort of.
Do you want me to tickle your nose?
Amber, would
No.
you get a Kleenex for his nose here?
Really?
Looks like he has a big booger in it. Well, this is taken
Thank you.
care of. Thank you.
Fix his nose. He has sleep in his eyes.
Oh,
Fix
you
that.
want it?
Hold on, let me get the sleep out of your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
You
that's
want to
good.
blow your nose again? Look at that face. Well, maybe you'd better rest now.
Your eyes look kind of bloodshot there, and your nose is pretty red from blowing it all the time. We'll take care.
Well, sing your song one last time, then they better go.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
I sure hope you feel better.
Boy, you can touch your tongue to your nose. That's amazing.
Way up above her eyes.
How do you do that?
You notice he has Paul's teeth on the uppers. It's rather unusual
Oh,
for a child his age.
yes.
Say goodbye,
Bye.
children.